Hi guys, Scott McPharlin here from Magain Real Estate and welcome to 4 Jagger Crescent in the beautiful Woodcroft. I've got a smashing home, solid timber floors, solar panels, really great light filled interior and a beautiful backyard to boot. Why don't we go inside and check it all out? So there you have it. This is a fantastic home. It would absolutely perfectly suit first home buyers and investors looking to buy something to rent out long term. It's super neat and tidy. It's been freshly painted. The floors have recently been polished. It's got a beautiful backyard with north facing sunlight that just streams in to the kitchen out the back. It's the perfect little setup and it's such a convenient location. Shopping around the corner, beautiful park the other direction, and of course she's so close to the end of the expressway for a quick trip into town for work. My name's Scott McPharlin from Magain Real Estate. Can't wait to see it and open at this one soon.